Struggling with tedious vegetable prep that eats up your time? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. The Mueller The Real Original Pro Chopper. Priced at $29.99. What caught my attention is its reputation for reliability since 2013. If you want a kitchen tool that genuinely saves time while keeping meal prep mess-free, this is worth a serious look. This chopper features 8 different blades, allowing you to slice, dice, and chop a variety of ingredients, from onions to cabbage, in seconds. The stainless steel blades are high quality, which means they stay sharp and perform consistently. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're tired of spending too much time prepping ingredients, the Mueller can help you whip up fresh meals in half the time, making it easier to stick to healthy eating habits. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. Here's the thing though, while it does take up some space, the time it saves you during meal prep can actually make your kitchen feel less cluttered in the long run. This is perfect for you if you're a busy parent or someone who loves to cook but hates the prep work. Skip this one if you have a tiny kitchen and need something more compact. For $29.99, you're getting a reliable tool that can really enhance your cooking routine. Now, if the Mueller's bulkiness bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2. Full-Star Pro Chopper. The original Full-Star Pro Chopper, also at $29.99. This has gained a ton of popularity on TikTok, and I can see why. If you want a quick and efficient way to prep veggies without the mess, this one's definitely worth considering. The Full-Star Chopper offers a 5-cup capacity, allowing for larger prep tasks, and it can dice your ingredients in just 30 seconds. The heavy-duty stainless steel blades are rust-resistant and stay sharp, which means you can rely on them for consistent performance. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking to simplify meal prep and want something that's easy to use and clean, this chopper fits the bill perfectly. However, some users have reported that the pieces can be tricky to clean if food gets stuck. Now, I'll be real with you. While it's dishwasher safe, a little extra scrubbing may be needed. But honestly, the time you save on chopping makes it worth the minor inconvenience. This is ideal for anyone who wants to cut down on prep time and keep their kitchen tidy. Skip this one if you need a chopper that's ultra easy to clean without any effort. For its price, it provides a solid value given its efficiency. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a more versatile tool.
Product number 3. Mueller Mandolin Slicer. The Mueller Vegetable Chopper Mandolin Slicer, priced at $20.87. This refined model has gained attention for its simplicity and effectiveness. If you're looking for a reliable chopper that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. With 6 interchangeable blades, this handy tool not only slices, but also juliennes and grates, making it a true multitasker. If you love making salads or want to add more vegetables to your meals, this could be a game changer for you. The high-quality stainless steel blades ensure that you get clean cuts every time, which matters when you're trying to make your meal prep as efficient as possible. However, some users mentioned that the blades can be a bit sharp, which might not be great for everyone. Here's the thing though. If you're careful and maybe use the included food holder, it's not a deal breaker. Just keep an eye on your fingers. This is perfect for anyone who wants to save time and make meal prep fun. Skip this if you're looking for a completely kid-friendly option. For just under $21, you get a powerful tool that can simplify your cooking routine. Now, if you're looking for something that offers even more accessories, the next chopper may be exactly what you need.
Product number 4. Yushin Vegetable Chopper. The Yushin Vegetable Chopper, priced at an affordable $12.98. What caught my eye was its 12-in-1 functionality, which is quite impressive for the price. If you want versatility without spending a fortune, this one's a great option. This chopper comes with 7 blades, allowing you to dice, slice, and grate a variety of ingredients. The ABS and stainless steel construction ensures durability, and the non-slip base means you can chop without worrying about it sliding around. Here's why this matters. If you want to make meal prep easier and safer, this chopper has you covered. With this, you'll be able to prepare ingredients for salads or side dishes in no time. Now, some users noted that it requires manual washing, which can be a hassle, but here's the bright side. The price is so low, and the time saved during prep more than makes up for it. This is perfect for anyone who enjoys cooking but doesn't want to spend a lot on kitchen gadgets. Skip this if you prefer dishwasher-safe tools, but at under $13, it's hard to beat the value. If you're after something even simpler, my next pick could be right up your alley.
Product number 5. Ukitap 8-Blade Chopper. We have the Ukitap 8-Blade All-in-One Vegetable Chopper, priced at $19.99. This one promises to make food prep a breeze, and I can tell you it's certainly a contender. If you're after a compact chopper that doesn't skimp on functionality, this is worth considering. With 8 blades and a large container, it handles slicing, dicing, and chopping with ease. The BPA-free materials ensure you're using something safe in your kitchen, and the non-slip base keeps everything stable while you work. Here's why this matters. If you often find yourself juggling multiple tools, having everything in one gadget can simplify your cooking process significantly. However, a few users mentioned that it's not as sturdy as some higher-end options. But here's the thing. For its price, it does a fantastic job and is perfect for quick meal prep. This is ideal for anyone who needs a reliable chopper without the hefty price tag. Skip this if you want a heavy-duty option meant for commercial use. For just $19.99, it's a fantastic value for anyone wanting to streamline their kitchen experience.
The one to avoid? I'd say skip the Yushnin if you need something that's dishwasher safe, as the manual cleaning may be a hassle. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.